Okay, now we will start to create a kind of list that we are sending to the front end to show the list of servers that we have. Okay, I create a variable that is named server, all servers. It's an object with server names. For example, game server. The game server has an object that says get state that we use to has the comments to validate if the server is running or not. We will use the PM2 program that manage the servers, and with this site I will give the user the ability to go on a website and start and stop the Nodejs servers. That means we have a get state object. This has a comment. That's the comment that is needed to get the status of the server. Here, for example, we can look for PM2 status game server. Then we need is on. That means what is the feedback of this comment to say, okay, it's online at the moment. We make a second server like my web page, for example. This is an object also with get state with a comment to get the state. My web page, and also is on state. Okay, now I formatted news. Okay, now we also need this, and here I think we have too much. Yes, and also the game server should have a turn on. That means that's the comment that is needed to start the Nodejs server. In my example, PM2 start game server. And I will copy it and also make a function or a comment for turning off. That I copy for the other server. So now we have set up the variable in the backend. Now we can transfer this data to the server-side rendering. That means all servers. Yes, all servers. And there I only give the object keys back from all servers. That means the front end only gets the keys. That means these names. is now in the front end. We have this thing where we're looking if e is smaller than all service.length, and now we can return first time data from this object. For example, here the name of the module. That means if I now refresh, we're getting an error, all service is not defined. That's of course, I know we started the server. Now we have the two keys of the servers that we has defined in the backend.